everybody, Gina DeLuca here. Today I'm going to try something a little different. We're going to do a funnel pour. As you can see, I've already covered my edges. Just sometimes I like to do it this way first. If I'm doing a straight pour consistency, I don't always. Just felt like doing it that way today. So the colors we have: Liquitex Basics in Cadmium Red Deep Hue. We have the DecoArt Extreme Sheen in 24 karat gold, and we know that this is a cell maker all by itself. And then I have some Artist Loft Flow Acrylic in black. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is lay down this base coat, because once I put some paint in the funnel, I'm down to one hand. So let's do that. These paints are mixed, 1 part paint to 2 parts Floetrol, and then they are thinned with my mixture of 10% Floetrol and 90% water. I just put it in a little squeezy bottle, make it easy. I also put nylon stocking on there so that it strains any little bits that may form. The gold I have mixed 1-to-1 because this is already kind of thin. So that has a different formula. All right, base coat. The consistency, when you pour it off of your stick, when you drizzle it, it just disappears. It does not form a mound. There you go. Alrighty, I've got my funnel here. This one holds about 7 ounces. I'm going to start with my red, which is my base color. Make sure you keep your finger on that hole. I'm going to do the black next. And I'm just going right in the center. And now the gold, which I anticipate will sink. I can feel it trying to push out. As soon as I move my finger away, this thing is gonna come flying out. All right, here we go. All right, that's looking cool already. Pop some of these bubbles. All right, I'm definitely going to want some negative space on this. remember to recenter your paint before you change directions. That will help you keep your composition. Alrighty, I think I'm gonna leave this the way it is. I think I'll have more gold popping up. So I'm just gonna let this sit for a bit and I will bring you in for a close-up. Right now it's looking sparkly. All right, back in a few. Okay, here it is. It's been sitting for a while. You can see the edges are starting to dry. Looks a lot different than when I left it. It's making some very cool cells with the gold. It's just like there's halos around the cells. It's so blingy right now, it's almost hard to capture on film. But I like the contrast here with the red and the black, and then the gold popping through that. Yeah, I'm pleased with the result on this one. Very interesting. So, I hope you learned something. I sure did. Please like and share and subscribe and all that good stuff. Do check out the description box below for links to my Amazon store. Most of the things that I use in my videos you can find there, but also if you enter through that link, anything that you purchase off the entire site of Amazon, I make a small commission of at no additional cost to you. So that's a way to give back without costing you any extra. There's also the PayPal tip jar. If you feel so inclined, if you find these videos helpful and want to help me stay stocked up in supplies so I can keep bringing you the groovy, fresh experiments, that would be awesome as well. My website, GinaDeLuca.net, the link is there. That's where you can find my music and my artwork. And last but certainly not least, our Facebook group, Go Make Some Art. Join us over there. Post your masterpieces, ask your questions, get some inspiration. Okay, that is it for me. I hope y'all have a beautiful day. Now go make some art.